Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to check out a nice mini speaker. This is the Wild Mini by Muzen, and it's a rugged speaker that's Bluetooth and it's for outdoor use. Obviously you can use it indoors too, but it's a rugged speaker, so it really can go in places that other normal speakers can't go. So first off, this speaker alone, just the presentation, when I opened it out of the box, I was like, wow, this is definitely along the lines of a person like me. I'm a soldier. I was a soldier in my younger years. I'm still a soldier to the heart, but this packaging right here is just so nice. It just reminds me of something that I had back in the day when I was in the military. So taking a look at the specs here, you can see, you can pause that and check it out and read it if you want to. The 1000 milliamp hour battery is what's most important because this is a compact speaker, and that 1000 milliamp hour battery should drive this thing home for quite some time. It does have 5 watts. So it should be fairly loud, charges through 1 amp. So let's check it out, man, and let's get it popped open. There's a little pull tab here. Those work sometimes and sometimes they don't. So let's pull it open here. And you've got some more branding right there. A little bit more branding. And you got like this lockbox style to get it open. Let's see what the presentation looks like. Whoa, this thing is mini. You know, okay, so first off, I never seen one in real life, so I thought it was going to be about the size of this. This thing is mini. Wow. Get out. It's you know what? It's got weight to it, which is what I like. The presentation, let's just awe at this presentation for just a second. This plays on the emotions of if you're a soldier, you understand how this fits and what I'm talking about. But if you were in the military at all, you understand how this would have done perfect. I mean, I joined the military in the 80s. So 89 is when I joined exactly. And it would have been so cool to have something like this if it existed back in the day. Wow. This is just so nice, man. So the color, everything. Gosh. Oh, man. So you've got this beautiful, this is kind of shaped like back in the day, the giant water jugs we used to carry. That's really cool. So I'm going to get into this real briefly. Let's see what else is in here. That is just, I'm just so in awe. I didn't know it was going to be that small. All right. Okay. So you have the basics here. You got your Type-C cable there, and then the instructions, and that's it. So wow, that is just a beautiful presentation, man. I mean, that's just so cool. You guys did it right. You played on my emotions with the green as well. So here it is. We're gonna take a look around this thing here. As you saw me open here, this is where you would have your charging at right here. That's where you can charge it right there with Type-C. And then this is going to be more than likely for your flashlight. So let's get it powered on. There we go. So I held down to turn it on, and then I'm going to hold up to see if I can switch it to Bluetooth. See if it's pairing. I'm going to grab a phone here. I'm going to get into it. I got some music queued up here I wanted to listen to. And let's see here if I can get it to pair. Muzen Wild Mini. There it is right there. So now you know it's connected. And wow. So this will be your volume right here. Yeah, on my phone, it's actually adjusting the volume. So look there. See that volume? Yeah. That's the little light there. That's so cool, man. I mean, that's just crazy, man. This is just a very nice little simple speaker. So let's play something here. I'm going to play this track. Music sample going here. 100% volume. It's crazy loud. little bit of bass. This is nice though. This is crazy, man, how loud. I didn't expect this to be so loud. And I think it's because it's such a small size and it's packing such a, the frame on this is metal. So it's, I don't know how they did it. Let me just be clear. I have no idea how they packed this into the speaker to be so loud in this small body here. And I've reviewed a lot of speakers on the channel, and this one is just, it's one that you got to see in person. So if you're an outdoor person and you need something that if it gets run over by a truck, anything, it's not going to break, this is it. Now the little light up here isn't anything spectacular, but you know, it's just there. I guess it's you just press it and there you go. You get a little pulsate in there. Nothing fancy, but this is a speaker and this thing is loud. I don't know what else to say. I'm going to charge this up to 100% and I'm going to start just popping it in my bag, man. And making sure that I have this with me at all times, because this is crazy, man. We all have that bag that we use where we store things in. And this is definitely going in my bag. This is enough speaker. Also, another use case scenario I could see for this is speakerphone. So the speakerphone on your phones may be good, but they're not this good. They're going to be, this is going to be for a better phone call situation as well. You can have this where you put a lanyard up on the front of your backpack that you're carrying. This will hook right into one of those front straps, and you could just have a beautiful speaker out while you're walking on your trail or whatever you're doing. This is crazy nice. I can't believe it, man. I cannot believe it. I just like to see it sitting in this position right here. This is so cool, man. This is one of the coolest looking speakers I've ever gotten in. And then also it's one that's functional. So it doesn't have a lot of bass. So just remember that it's not something that is, this is an outdoor speaker. So it's meant to be like really loud. And I know you just kind of heard a little bit of it over video, but this is meant to be like super loud. There's no bass or anything like that. No strong bass, I should say, coming through. It's also going to depend on the genre of the music that you're listening to. So I don't think you're going to, if you're getting something for bass, you need to get something obviously just a lot bigger, with bigger drivers and things like that. But nonetheless, this fits right in to my military lineup here of on-the-go items. This is so cool, man. This fits right in. So I'll leave a link to this in the description so you can grab yours. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. This is phenomenal.